Recording the sewer line here at Lake Burien Presbyterian Church. The date is March 24th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the outside cleanout near the courtyard here in the building. I'm out 85 feet or so from this spot. We are down in the section of pipe that kind of runs underneath the dining room now. We're going to pull back from this section. We're going to get a good look at the Bob Oates sewer work that was done and make kind of a final video here just to show the work. So we're in old cast iron pipe. This is still the original piping in the building. We're going to come around a turn here. Right here is where we are going into our new PVC Bob Oates repaired pipe. So we are now out in that kind of covered walkway area and coming back through where Bob Oates dug up this section of pipe. So you'll see as we come through this part, it's all new PVC. And you can see the grade has vastly improved. Still probably not perfect grade, but we have gotten a lot better than where we were going into this project. You see a couple of tie-ins in that through there, but you saw as we came through there that where it used to be very flat and rough and caught up sewage, we now have a much smoother, slightly more downhill section of piping that we replaced. So coming back now out of that section into the cast iron again. And this is all original pipe now. So we saw the section of Bob Oates replaced there. The rest of this we have seen in past videos. And up and out of the pipe there. So there's our clean out and the recording there.